5 things you need to know today before the markets open with voxmarkets.co.uk.
It's Monday, the 7th of December 2020 at 5. China's exports rose at the fastest pace in almost 3 years in November. A strong global demand for goods needed to ride out the pandemic landed the world's second largest economy a record trade surplus. At 4, the much-loved combination of beer and crisps is being harnessed for the first time to tackle climate change. Crisp firm Walker's has adopted a technique that says will slash CO2 emissions from its manufacturing process by 70%. At 3, a new tunnel linking Kent and Essex will create 5 million tonnes of carbon dioxide, figures suggest. Estimates say building the Lower Thames Crossing, a flagship project for the UK's roads programme, will emit 2 million tonnes of greenhouse gases. At 2, shoppers flocked to high streets and shopping malls across England this weekend, but the numbers were well below pre-pandemic levels. According to the market researcher Springboard, it says across the UK as a whole, footfall was down by 30% compared to the same December weekend last year. And at 1, talks between the UK and the EU are due to resume later in a final bid to agree a post-Brexit trade deal. After a weekend of tense negotiations, EU sources told the BBC an agreement on fishing was close, but this was disputed by Downing Street. For more details on any of these stories, visit voxmarkets.co.uk.
5 things you need to know today before the markets open with voxmarkets.co.uk.